timber, softwood timber like pine, is very useful, but very difficult to work with, especially if you hammer nails in towards the end of it. Because what happens is that as you hammer it, the timber splits and is no good at all. So the best thing to do is not to hammer nails in at the end of a piece of timber. Unfortunately, sometimes you have to. Things have to be made that way. So here's a tip that will help you not to split your timber. Get your nail and place it head down, and with a hammer just bash the point. And do it until it's fairly blunt. If I turn that over, you can see that it's fairly blunt. And that, surprisingly, is less destructive of the timber than the sharp point. Because with a sharp nail, when you drive it through, it acts like a wedge. It drives the fibres of the wood apart and splits the timber. This one acts like a punch, and it pushes those fibres of wood out of the way. And as it pushes them out of the way, they don't split, and you end up without splitting your wood. There's a tip. Blunt your nails.